Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials quickly. Check Messenger version and your phone OS and update both if needed. Once done, verify your account language, keyboard layout, and emoji settings inside Messenger so you're not chasing a locale mismatch. Make sure to restart the app and the device next. This clears caches and session glitches. Reproduce the emoji problem now. Is it missing, showing boxes, or wrong color? Document that behavior so your next steps target the actual fault. You should now clear temporary data and reset input paths to eliminate corrupted resources. On Android, clear Messenger cache or app data, or uninstall and reinstall to refresh emoji libraries. On iOS, reinstall the app and force quit beforehand. Next, reset or switch your keyboard. Toggle between system emoji and third-party keyboards to see if input rendering changes. Also inspect device font and accessibility options, because scaled fonts or custom fonts can distort emoji. If the issue persists, proceed to account and server checks. To finish, force a sync. Log out of Messenger and log back in, and test the same account on another device to isolate device versus account causes. If a recent OS update started the problem, consider updating again or rolling back if possible, because system emoji sets live in the OS. Make sure to capture screenshots, timestamps, and exact reproduction steps. If none of these fix it, report to support with that evidence. One key tip: try another account on your device to narrow scope quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.